still like my love. Tried to care for you and make you whole, but it was never enough. I must go on, and who is gonna save you when I'm gone? What's over you when I'm gone? You think?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Side angle because I'm ugly as fuck.
Going
Is that what you're at? Yeah.
Yeah.
Check, 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 check. Check, check, check.
Now, what did Janelle do with my...
Firelight. I take it your PA doesn't come with any built-in chorus, eh?
Oh, I wonder if we could plug a pedal into that. Huh.
What one's the bad monkey? Like, what's it do?
Try it out. Oh, yeah, you're not even fucking hooked up yet. Sorry, brother. I thought you were.
That's okay.
It was fully concentrating on something else. Definitely have that ability to block out all things. Focus on one.
It's all good, man.
That can be a bad thing. At the expense of others, eh?
You've done this a few times, eh?
What's that? Get your shit set up, make it look good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got lots of YouTube videos, man. Tons of good stuff. All sorts of acoustic work. Alright, that is off. Good, we're good. Plug that in. Turn that one off and turn that. Where's the volume on this? This will go down. Bass is fucking great. Turn the bass way the fuck down. That'll right to the max. So's the treble. And go ahead and play a little bit. opens the whole fucking sound
room.
of the room. It's
Yeah.
crazy. I don't know what the fuck that Bad Monkey is. And I got off Dane Merrick years ago and never used it. Not even once. Till this last month. I've never used guitar pedals till now, so.
It's like fucking. It's like a chorus pedal. Have you ever tried it on your mic?
No, but I want to, and I'm not sure how to do that.
Just is the mic end a male like this? Like this fucker right here?
It's
No.
not that kind of cable, no.
That goes into the board.
Plug that back in.
Yeah. Sorry, bad example.
There. Alright, you're live.
Fucking not thinking.
So you want some different sound coming out of this mic, is what you're telling me, right?
Do you have anything that would add like fucking reverb to the room?
Let's see what happens here.
Chip, chip.
I'm gonna turn the light on for a sec. Actually,
Yeah, do that, buddy.
here. Where's your? You got your phone? How much memory you got?
Tons.
Yeah, you want to record with your phone?
Sure, man.
Yeah. Can you record for at least half an hour?
Well, probably. Longer than that. It's a pretty new phone, and I was always plugging it in, so.
Good. Here, give me a couple lyrics there, brother.
Okay. Shut this stuff down. Should I turn down
Sing,
the amp just
so
a
sing,
touch?
sing like one verse over and over again, or whatever. Sing the whole song. Sing a part that has constant lyrics.
Leaves are all around. Fall has come. Blue skies turning when I'm gone. Say you care for me, hide how can you love someone not when I'm gone. I think the amp or your mic's perfect. I think I just need to turn the guitar down just like a